Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Crystal Pow Wow, where we are going to discuss the trigonal growth habit in quartz, which is also referred to in metaphysical terms as a channeler crystal or a 3-7-3 crystal, referring to the number of sides on each face. I first want to make sure that we're on the same page with the anatomy of the crystal, because we're going to use this to discuss other growth habits in the future. We have the body of the crystal, which is this part that I'm holding here leading up to the faces. We also have Z and R rhombohedral faces. The large faces here, the 7-sided faces, are the R faces. The small 3-sided faces are the Z rhombohedral faces. Put that all together with the body of the crystal, and that's what we're using to identify our growth habit. This crystal does still have visible Z faces, but it's quite common in the trigonal growth habit that the Z faces be completely absent. We're also looking for a 3-fold rotational symmetry, meaning 3 of the faces lead up to the point instead of 6. This is a 3-fold rotational symmetry. You're also going to see this in your muso growth habit, which is a lot of your Lemurians, this looks familiar, are going to have a 3-fold rotational symmetry, and they often will have a completely absent Z rhombohedral face. So in contrast, this is a normal growth habit which has a 6-fold rotational symmetry where all 6 prismatic faces lead up to the point here on this crystal. All 6 faces going up to the point, and when you look down the center, you're going to see more of that classic 6-sided prism here. So have a look at your own collection. See first if you can identify the 3-7-3, where you're counting the sides of this crystal on the faces, count each side, and then look all the way down, hold it so the tip is facing you, and see how many of those faces lead up to the point, and see if you can identify some trigonal growth habits in your collection. You may be surprised that you have a energy channeler crystal right under your nose and you didn't even know it. So join me next week. We'll continue to talk about new growth habits in quartz, and I can't wait. Thanks. Bye. Hey everybody, I just wanted to thank you for checking out this episode of Crystal Pow Wows with Little Lemuria. I am Jessie, and you can find us on Instagram at Little Lemuria Gems. You can browse our shop on the web at littlelemuria.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video you saw, and be sure to leave a comment if there's something you'd like me to talk about for the next episode. Talk to you soon.